So today, I think this is my first cooking video. I have a boneless roast. I'm gonna be making a bouillon. So basically it's like a Haitian stew. I am going to clean this, remove the cartilage. I can't pronounce the word. And I am gonna put it on my slow cooker, and then tomorrow we're gonna start the process, but I'm cooking the meat tonight. Let's go. So there you have it. I've portioned my beef into big cubes because I'm gonna be putting it in a slow cooker. This is my waist. If I was at the restaurant, I would have to like weight this, but I'm cooking this at home, so I don't have to do it. Yay! And now this is stage 2, stage 3. Let's go. All right, this is the seasoning that I've added to this. I've added my Haitian épices, which is a mixture of herbs, garlic, and peppers, and thyme. One of my favorite seasoning is smoked paprika, so I add smoked paprika on there. I also added grounded cloves, I think it's pronounced, because I don't like the actual whole one. And I've added some roasted garlic seasoning. That's one of my third favorite seasoning. And black pepper. So that's what's in here now. I'm going to marinate this all together and show you all the finished look. All right, so this is the meat. It already looks really good. After I marinated, so my Haitian épices had a little olive oil in it, and I forget to say that it also has a parsley. Parsley is my favorite. I add parsley in almost all my seasonings when I make them. And I'm also gonna add some, when I put this in the slow cooker, I'm gonna add some more garlic and some thyme, and let it slow cook for the whole night. And tomorrow I will show you guys not tomorrow, it's already tomorrow. Later on today, I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay, this is my beef now in a slow cooker. What I did add some dried thyme, and I cut some garlic pieces to put in there. And it's gonna be slow cooked for the whole night. Give you guys I'm not gonna add my vegetables in yet because my meat is still raw and the vegetables gonna get mushy. So tomorrow we'll go to process, I would say, stage number, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so it's gonna be cooking on low for the whole night, and tomorrow we will wake up to see the finishing product. Yay. So here we are in the morning, and this is how my beef is looking. It's very tender. Stop talking. So these are my veggies that I'll be putting in my soup. I love plantain in there. It's my favorite. So we're gonna be adding this to the pot. So this is plantain, potatoes, and spinach.
Okay.
All right. So I've removed my meat because I don't want it to. It's already cooked. I did add some carrots. I chopped some carrots, and now I'm gonna be adding my vegetables. Be careful, baby. Be careful, please. I have a little helper here. You see? All right. I've added my broth, my beef broth, and some hot water. This is gonna go. I'm gonna cover it so it can boil. I added some seasoning. Thank you, baby. I added garlic powder, paprika. My favorite seasoning is paprika, I'm also going to be adding some crabs into this. So as you're just here, I'm going to be seasoning my crab and putting it in here. And yeah, all right, let's see. Now I did add my crab to this. This is how it's looking. I add my crab to this. I like the taste of crab, and I also look. I found some broccoli. I just added to it. Like, but this is not necessarily have to add it to it. So what I'm gonna add next, I'm gonna be making my dumplings, and I'm gonna be adding my dumplings to this as well. As you can, this already tastes really good. It tastes really good. Look at the color. So it's looking, once I add the dumpling, this is gonna be thicker. It's gonna be thicker, so I'm not worrying about how watery it's looking. And I'm also gonna be adding some onions. I'm gonna chop some onions and add some I'm gonna add my dumpling and some more spinach, and I'll show you guys the finished look soon. So I've added the rest of my spinach and the onions. All right, so this is just it's on low heat, simmering. I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to go make my dumplings. I haven't made the dumplings yet. Okay, here we have it. Now you see how I added my meat. Now look at this. It's thick. It's thickened. It's a little thicker. And my beef is not broken. It looks really, really, really good. It tastes really good. I'm not making this up for those of you that, well, it tastes really good. But we're gonna give some to everybody and have everybody put their verdict on it. My boys love the dumplings in there. This is the dumpling that I made. I kept it salt free just because my broth was already had salt in there, but it tastes really good. It tastes really good. This is the finish.